So you just saw a representation of 6 times 15, which equaled 90, but a lot of kids would need to stop and figure that out. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this opened or unmarked array. So we know we have 6 rows going across. Can you picture what we just saw, the 6 rows of kids? And the 15, we have 15 columns, so there's 15 kids in each of the 6 rows. All right. So you may not know 6 times 15 right offhand, but what we've been working on is trying to find ways to break numbers apart to make the problem a little easier. So I'm going to take this 15. I'm going to break it down by place value because I know 15 is 10 plus 5. And I like multiplying by 10 and 5, and I think you do too. So I'm going to break our bigger array into 2 smaller arrays. So now the dimensions of this array, 6 rows of 10 students, or 10 columns. And here we still have our 6 rows of 5 students, or 5 columns. So 6 times 10 equals 60. 6 times 5 equals, actually 6 times 10 is double 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 is half of 6 times 10. It's 30. So what would that look like in equations? We started off with 6 times 15. 16 rows of 15 students. And we decided to break that 15 apart into 10 and into 5. So we had 6 times 10 plus the 6 times 5. So 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 5, is 30. And when we add those together, we get 90. So 6 times 15 is 90. There you go, an example of breaking apart some larger numbers that we're working on.